Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Asus ROG Phone 6 Pro and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll until we will find the themes and wallpapers. Let's tap on it in order to enter, and here we have to tap on the wallpaper and style. As you can see, here we can check the preview of the lock screen and the home screen. Here we've got some wallpaper colors, we've got the theme colors, we've got system color scheme. So we can change it from the dark to light and also other way, of course. But if you'd like to change the wallpaper directly, just tap on this section here. Just on this change wallpaper. As you can see right now, it is much more visible, and here under it we've got the list of wallpapers which are defaultly installed on this device. If you want to, you can get to the gallery, so you will be able to set the wallpaper as a wallpaper a photo you've previously taken, or you can get more, and I highly recommend to enter this section. Make sure that you've got the internet connection, because here we've got a lot of beautiful options from which we can choose. We've got a lot of categories. Here we can check and choose something from, for example, the travel, the illustration, or the nature. So let me enter it and just look how beautiful options we've got here. So basically all you have to do is to simply find the photo you'd like to use and tap on it. So let me pick this pink flamingo, and here, if you're happy with your choice, just tap on download. After that, you can see that you've got this apply option. You can remove it here also, but let me go back, because I want to show you that it will actually appear on the defaults list. So just tap on it. As you can see right now, we are on the lock screen, so after tapping on the wallpaper, it will appear only here. If you want to set it on the home screen also, just tap on it again after moving it to the home screen, obviously. So basically, if you're happy with your choice, all you have to do is to simply tap on apply. And as you can see, we can check the preview again, and here the wallpaper has been changed. So let's go back to the home screen. As you can see, it has been applied successfully. Let's lock the screen and check the lock screen, and the same situation right here. So actually that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Asus ROG Phone 6 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.